Mommy. What's that man doing?
He's asking people to give him money, sweetie.
That's so sad. Can we give him some money to help him out?
That is so sweet. You are so thoughtful. But it is not a good idea to give him money today.
Why, Mommy? Isn't it a good thing to help?
While it may feel good to give him a few extra dollars, those truly in need should get more help than small amounts of money. We are very lucky to live in a county that has so many services and staff dedicated to help people that are in an unfortunate situation. If you really want to help, why don't we look up some of the places where we can donate some time and money to help a bunch of people in need, and not just one person?
Can we, Mommy? I really want to help.
Absolutely.